Hello there, good morning. My name is Freddy, and I would like to start my presentation with a question. Do you consider the way our parents learn is still valid for the actual generation? Do you know what 21st century skills are? Well, I did some research on the internet and I found they that there are four 21st century skills that a good teacher should apply to the classroom. And they are the first one, critical thinking. But let's stop by a little bit what critical thinking is. Okay, as you may know, critical thinking is to make our students to think in a reflecting way. So you're not going to start giving classes just okay, this is the whiteboard, write down everything that I wrote there. No, you have to use questions. You have to challenge your students to think what they are learning. It is good. What they are learning is useful. Through questions, you can make students think. So in that way, you are using critical thinking. Another strategy to make students be critical is you can use different strategies to make them think. Besides questions, you can write down questions on little pieces of paper and then you can play a game with them, the hot potato, in which they are going to pass in by the hot potato, and the one who got the ball, he is going to uncover a piece of paper and he will start reading the question and consequently answer it. So the second 21st century skill that students should have is collaboration. But what do I mean by collaboration? Collaboration is part of everyday life in a society, and a school is not an exception. So I remember once I was in a church, and the priest was saying that we are not an island. We need somebody else help, and I totally agree. So we have to use our partners. We need them to make things faster, to make things an assignment, a homework, a project, a dramatization, a role play, um, let's say a teamwork. We need to collaborate with each other to share ideas. When students are sharing, when they are collaborating each others in a project, for example, they are exchanging ideas, they are helping each other, they say how they could do the things in a faster way. And the next is creativity. Creativity is another 21st century skill that we need. Uh, as you know, creativity is something that is innate. We're born with it. So we gotta use creativity to make our students. So you should write down on your whiteboard, expand the possibilities. So you how can I make this better? How can I make this drawing better? How can I make this idea awesome or fantastic? And the last communicative skill, the last is communication. Communication is part of our nature, and we really need it to communicate our ideas, our thoughts, our feelings. And in a group, in a class, it is basic. It is fundamental. That's the word that I was looking for. Okay, that was all for Today, that was my 21st century skills video. Goodbye.